all those proof screenshots you just saw are from our initial test with this powerful new traffic trapping software. In a nutshell, this unique and simple software will drive laser-targeted traffic on complete autopilot, allowing you to rake in consistent $50 to $100 per day paydays with ease. And this works even if you have no tech skills, no list, and no experience. I think we can all agree that the number one problem that most online entrepreneurs face is getting traffic to their offers and sites. So it's really important that you know how to drive traffic because everything depends on it. Traffic is the lifeblood of any business, especially an online business. And when you have that steady stream of traffic, profits almost always follow, just like you can see from all the proof screenshots on this page. So we realize how important it is for you to get your piece of the traffic pie, and we realize a lot of you are in many different niches and sub-niches. And that's why we set out to create a software that any newcomer can use in any niche to drive highly targeted traffic and passive autopilot profits once and for all. Introducing Traffic Trapper. Literally all it takes to start trapping traffic for your own sites and offers is just 60 measly seconds. We spent months beta testing and tweaking this unique software. Saying this is one of a kind is an understatement, because this automates everything for you with just a few simple clicks and a couple keystrokes. We always thought that getting truly hands-free autopilot traffic was just not possible. But Traffic Trapper has proved us wrong, especially from our own tests. Traffic Trapper is super easy to use, it works in any niche, and it takes just 60 seconds to be up and running. And once your first campaign with Traffic Trapper is set up, you can literally kick back and watch the free target traffic and profits roll in. And if you want to capture that traffic and put them onto an email list, you can do that too. So if you've struggled to get traffic to your offers and sites, then you'll quickly realize what a gem Traffic Trapper is. And we are so confident you'll love Traffic Trapper, and that's why we are willing to offer an ironclad full 30-day money-back guarantee so that you can see the results for yourself. Your days of wasting on money on paid traffic are over, because Traffic Trapper is the solution to get endless passive free traffic whenever you want. And just a heads up, below this video you'll see a countdown timer for the early bird pricing. Once that hits 0, the price will go up. So if you want to lock in the lowest price on Traffic Trapper, then hit the buy now button below and we'll see you on the inside.